this is an Alfa Romeo what?
Alfa Romeo Giulia Super.
Giulia Super.
1967. Rare car.
They wrote the windows up on this one. They don't even want you to. They don't want you all in this business, man. Look, I can't even get in there.
That's crazy.
Man, you ain't gonna never see nothing like this on the streets ever.
They just got this one too.
You ain't gonna never see this, man. But you got it right here on Beats and Fast Cars. Look how the pipes is positioned. That's crazy. Nice Italian car. You see the flag. You know he had to walk over to the Camaro. '72 Camaro. 62,000. Why would buy this when they can buy a Hellcat? See, look, man. You see what I'm saying?
396.
What's a 396, man? What's that, man? Small block. Man, this hood long. This hood is long as my car shit. And he got cloth seats. You want 62,000 for cloth? You got the original
130 on the
radio on here. Man, you want 62,000 for cloth, man?
4-speed.
Everybody trying to hit that 4-speed, Dave.
I like the way that dash. I like how the dash.
They keep on talking about these 4 speeds, man. That don't make me spend no extra $10,000, $15,000 for them because it's a 4-speed.
Right. You're right.
Man, it's the Christmas party.
He said, "Can you open the hood?"
$6,000 suit. Ain't no damn money for the band.
Right? You know this is special, right? This ain't just any Camaro. This is
Man, okay. Tell your wife, hey, I just spent 69 grand on this. And see what she say.
That's special.
And it's supposed to be
I appreciate y'all
and it's
asking.
supposed to be car and a
To open
factory
it
and
just going
factory
forward.
air conditioning too. Yes.
I had to ask somebody to leave earlier today, man.
Oh no, you can't do that.
Really?
All the cars say, please don't touch. Big red letters.
This thing look
Yeah,
really
so
nice under here.
this joint,
It's clean. You can go. Man, it's clean.
so this is done everything factory spec. Even the
This is
bolts have
72
been restored to factory specs. Factory air conditioner, numbers matching, all numbers matching, and original seat metal.
Rare car.
See that small block, man?
Is the real deal.
Red
And
block.
we stole it.
That mean don't play with
stole
that. Turbo jet.
It's still not, you know,
This
it's not doing nothing for me, but I'm glad that you're happy and that you're smiling.
I know what I'm looking at. It ain't just a Camaro.
No, that's
This is
SS.
special.
That's an SS Camaro. All original.
Oh, this is a special one here.
Whatever, we going to the next car, man. Whatever.
Make me want to record it.
Ain't no, man. I have to walk away from them. They all on that Camaro, man. But look at this, though. This thing is really nice, man. What is this? What is this? What is this? This is a LaSalle, 1937 Cadilliac Lasalle. Oh man, bro, I could just picture the outfit that they wore when they pulled up in this, man. With the top hat, with the cane. Oh man, matter of fact, man, I shouldn't even be walking this fast around this car. I need to get as slow detail as I can. Look, that's how the license plate was put on there. They ain't want you to put it nowhere on the bumper. Man, put it up there. Now, let me get y'all this amazing inside, boy. Look, ain't only, woo, ain't no back seat. Man, 2 people fit in this thing, and I put my arm around you in here. Everything right here in front of you. 1937. My dad was born in 1938, man. He was 80. So this is 81 years old. Oh my goodness. This is crazy, y'all. How many times y'all gonna see this, man? Come up to Gateway Classics, man. They gonna see it all, you know? They look at these cars behind me. You see these cars behind me? They look raw, man. I don't know what that is. You already know that's the Mustang. This is a Lincoln that looks like. And look at this beauty right here. This is boy. Gateway Classics got some nice cars up there, man, for y'all to check out, man. We're gonna run through a couple just for y'all. We're gonna run through a couple real quick. So you got this. Let's check out these classics, man. Y'all really want a classic car, man. Y'all know where it come, man. Look at that right there. That's crazy. I don't even know what that is. What is that? That's a what a Mercury Monterey, 1956. Yeah, it's a Mercury, yeah. Let's look at that interior, man. I'm just paused and let you get all the pixels. That's crazy. Oh, look at that dash. Oh, I gotta get over there and get that dash, man. Woo! See, this car stopped me in my tracks. I'll pay $150 for this, but I don't even think it's $150. Look. Huh? That's it. Just but look at this car, man. I'm gonna just pause it. Oh, look at this. Look at that.
Man, a lot of details in this car.
The K5. Right here. They chopped the top off, man. This thing's sitting high too. That thing's sitting high.
Wow, it's a manual too? Oh, hell yeah. Man, the conversion, man. Nice.
You got a monster truck over there. Look at this, man. Somebody actually bought a monster truck and said, "Hey, man, sell this for me." Man, that's crazy. Hey, man, try. See if you can sell. Y'all so good at sell this. That's what they said. They said, "Hey, you so good at selling, sell this." Man, this big ass monster truck, man. Hey, man, how tall are you, Dave? How tall are you, Dave?
6'3". Well, 6'5", technically.
6'3". That's a 2-inch difference. Anyway,
I know.
I'm 5'4". Look at this, man. Look at that. Man, look at this, man. That's crazy. I can't even get the interior. You gotta get it for me, Dave.
You ain't got no
You ain't got no door handles.
door handles?
Just get up there.
Oh, you gotta look at the detail in the ceiling. Huh? Man, look at that. That's a bow tie on the. Man, this suspension is crazy, man. Got the shorty headers under there. Look how knobby these tires is, bro. You can lay my finger in the groove. I don't want to go back and forth. That's too much of that. But man, look at that. Man, that's crazy. That is monster truck status right there, man. Look at the intake, man. Lord. I wonder how much barrel. Probably. Oh yeah. He got two carburetors on there. Crazy. I've never seen one like this up close. That's crazy, man. Look at that drive shaft. Oh my God, I don't even know what some of this stuff is. On the suspension.
That's why I asked you to get it, man.
You got a fuel tank. You got the fuel tank, okay. Man, differential. Man, he got a lot into this, man. And man, the travel.
These tires are 18-inch rims, 44/15.
44-inch tire. 15-inch wide. That look like it's more than 15.
15.
You could put a cobalt wheel inside of that.
Tubeless. The thing say tubeless.
Yeah, you need tubeless
Jeez.
for that. Man, this is mad crazy right here, man. You know what I'm saying? You have a good lens to take advantage of the scenery.
Yeah, if I'm doing landscape, that 2470 cover everything now. From landscape and portrait.
Put me in the mindset of the Batmobile.
Oh yeah, this do look like the Batmobile. Yeah.
With them seats pump up in the back.
This is a 1966 Ford Thunderbird for $30,000. Yeah, it do look like the Batmobile from the back. Let me see, let me get the back shot. Thunderbird. It's long tail. Ooh, yeah. This was made, yeah. This is definitely the Batmobile, man. Look at them little small pipes at the bottom, man.
Riviera's legendary too. It's legendary.
Man, this look like something that James Bond would drive. It made it modern.
And this is a first gen.
She said, what's legendary about it? 1965 Shelby Cobra. 37. Got a pipe on the bar.
I mean, it's really low.
This car is perfect.
No roof.
No roof. No, it has a roof.
Oh, it do? Come with his own fire extinguisher.
Go to the back. Oh yeah, look at the texture change right there. They modernized it though. They modernized it. They put some new rims on it, new radio on the inside.
So this is a replica.
Look at this. What is this right here to hold? Make sure the driver don't fly out, huh?
If this was real, if this was a real Cobra, this would be like $250,000. Yeah. This is the 36. So this is the stone car. Stone car. I mean, because if it's wearing out, you know, the tires, the rocks come up and hit like this. So this is a stone car. Yeah. So in here, in my opinion, this is.
I don't even know what this is either. So on this video right here, because this one don't have no sheet in it, so you know I don't know my cars like that. But I like the interior on this thing now. Look at that. Man, look at all that. Oh, there go the information right there. Let me go over there and see what this is. So y'all, I'm gonna leave y'all. This is a Riviera, okay. It's a Buick Riviera. Let me see what the year is. This is a, I don't know if y'all can read that, but it is a 1971 Buick Riviera. Man, with the green interior. Look, man. Well, I got most of the dope cars that I can get for y'all, man. This is my new camera. We trying some things out, but I really want to just, I don't want to put too much editing, man. I take a lot of time doing my edits. So on this one, I'm doing vlogging. I'm actually talking. I know, you know what I'm saying, I'm trying to, you know, I was pushing my beats and stuff like that out there. You know what I'm saying, and showing y'all details of the car, but this one is vlogging. I'm talking about the cars that I don't know anything about. That's why I have my squad here with me, because I don't know nothing about these cars. But As you can see, man, these some super dope cars. And I did have some information on the window to help me out too. And man, if you want a nice classic car, man, come up to Gateway Classics out here in what is this? CRETE, Illinois. And get you a nice car, man. If you're looking for one, they got it here, man. Look them up, Google them, and get it. This your boy, Hellcat Jones for Beats of Fast Cars, and I'm signing out, y'all.